Yeah, this is my Parkside portable or stationary, what you like, bandsaw. You can pull it off the rack and it's portable, or you use it like this and it's stationary. As I told in my last videos, I made some upgrades. I plated one 8mm and one 5mm steel plate to it, bolted on this trusty old vise. I only use it to saw it in 90 degrees. I do no 45 cuts or whatever. And as you can see, it lives here, and take my light about here. I made this U-shaped steel part, bolted on, and so you can length off. You can put in steel. Like this one, I showed it before. We can chop it off, and you can put it in to get every part the right length or the same length. This is it's a very simple part. I put on this two tubes, square tubes. This was an older version. I don't need them anymore, but they are there, and okay, it works. I have this plate. You can turn it around to get an end stop, or you can turn it around to get something to lay on to give it a little more strength while sawing. And this is movable in every direction. Yeah, I didn't want to show it last year because I want to test it, and now it lasts 1.5 or 2 years, and yeah, it's good. It works. It's a simple. This is just a steel bracket with a thread in it for M8. As is this part, nothing fancy, but that's a great upgrade to this simple saw, and it's an affordable saw. I did not change anything in the back. I just trimmed it because it was not that straight. But as you have seen maybe in my last video, this thing cuts damn straight. For a cheap bandsaw for about 100 euros, this one cuts straight. And with this vise, you can hold very big parts, and it works fine. And I like this saw a lot. But I killed it. I burned my bandsaw. This one here is brand new. It's maybe 4 weeks old. I bought it online for 99 or 100 euros because I was an idiot. You make mistakes, you learn. I tried to saw a big, way too big part of steel on this, and this was this chunk. It's C45 tool steel. I needed this part for my lathe, but yeah, and I wanted to saw it, and I did it. Almost. It's just 5mm away from success, but at this point the saw died, and my fault was I used it too long. It's gotten hot and it burned. This saw is designed to cut maybe this size steel tubing or round stock or whatever. And she did it well all the time. But she's not designed to cut 50 millimeters of steel, of tool steel. That was my fault. Yeah. The motor begins to burn. I have to plug it off. I'll show you some footage later on. It was a bad day. But as you can see, I bought this again. And that's why I trust this saw. If I were no idiot and I have taken my time to saw my block of C45, she'd done it. And she would do it every time again, because she's good. But I was in a hurry and I clamped the trigger. Yeah, and that killed her. She got too hot and she burned. That's my fault, the fault of this product. So, yeah. Let's see what the old one looked like. That's, you can see here how not to use this saw. I think if you handle it with care, it will last you for some years. And that's for the price very okay. Because a bigger chopping bandsaw, yeah, it's not that cheap. And yeah, I'm a little bit angry about myself because I was this kind of idiot to try to saw two big pieces with it. Yeah, we see. So this was my old saw. As I told you, I bought the same one again, and I pulled it apart completely. The motor, the gears, the pullings, everything. But I could not salvage her. died. I could not bring her back. I'm by no means an electrician, or yeah, I tried everything because I liked the saw, and I had to buy a new one, and that was not easy because I thought I could manage it to rebuild it or to repair it, but I couldn't. So now I salvage all these parts. Here are the rollers for the blade, the turning discs. That's all good parts, nothing wrong with it, and I will salvage them if my new Parkside got problems again, so I can change them. But the motor is toast. I changed the coils, I changed the wiring, I checked it. Yeah. And after I rebuilt it, the test run was a burn. The motor starts to burn again. So after I took out, after I take replacement on a new one again, this one goes to scrap. And I don't like parts to go to scrap because there went so much energy in building this and so much time and effort, and it was shipped from Asia to Europe. And all this molding, all this casting, just for scrap, that hurts me. I like to salvage things. I'm using 90-year-old Englishman or French, how you call it. It works, and I like old tools, and I don't like to give something to the scrap. But this one, yeah, it's toast. I give I gave everything what I know and what I could do to this, and it doesn't work. So yeah, bye bye, a little bandsaw. The new brother or sister works, and I try to get much out of this to run the new one some years longer. You can trust in this. That's for 100 euros. I don't count how much tubes I sawed with this one. Hundreds. It was always good. But you have to be in the specs of what this can do. And the specs are not this. This is not in the specs of this tool. And this was my fault. And yeah, here we are. So, that was this short one about my Parkside bandsaw. It's not idiot proof, you know. And if you liked this video, subscribe or leave a comment. See you again.